Hello! In this video, we will walk through how to install a Gerber universal tank lever. The Gerber universal tank lever provides an all-around easy solution for gravity single flush toilets. Let's get started. First, take off the tank lid. To remove your existing lever, carefully detach the chain or strap from the lever arm. Be sure to keep the chain as it will be used with your new lever. Then proceed to unscrew the plastic nut and pull out the arm and handle from the tank. On your new lever, remove the two red locking clips. Take off the hook that is attached to one of the locking clips. You can set these aside. We'll use them later. Separate the arm from the elbow, and then remove the elbow from the lever handle. Remove the mounting nut. The mounting nut is often reverse threaded. That means you need to turn it right to loosen and left to tighten. This lever is compatible with front mount, angled mount, side down mount, or right hand mount positions. Insert the handle assembly into the tank hole and secure the nut on the inside of the tank. Align the elbow at roughly a 30-degree angle downward from the top of the tank and attach, ensuring it has enough room to move. Position the arm parallel to the front of the tank and then attach the lever arm to the elbow. Secure it using the red locking clips. Please note that the clips can be installed on either side of where the elbow meets the arm. Remove the current hook from your chain and replace it with the provided hook. Being careful not to pull the lever, clip the chain to the lever, leaving minimal slack. Replace the lid and flush your toilet to make sure everything is working properly. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Gerber's gorgeous universal tank lever. Now your toilet will not only work wonderfully, but will look good while doing it. Thank you for choosing Gerber.